Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, total trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description we'll find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. So let me see what's going on here, guys. This area here already acted as resistance. Now it's support. And if this candle will close exactly on this level, yes, I will do a call now. Because I understood that this area will act as support too. Yes, and that's the reason why I entered into a call. So let's see what's happening here. It looks not like a strong uptrend. It looks like price would close below this level here. So let's see what's happening. Yes. So depending on this candle, it looks like we are getting in a continuation. Yes. That if this candle will close above this level, okay, yes, it looks like a double top now, and that's the reason why I'm waiting till price gets closer to this level here. To avoid a retracement above this level. So okay, I will enter now into a put because I'm expecting now that price will go down further because of this double top. And yes, price was not moving. I wanted to higher entry point, but after I saw that this kind of candle was crossing below this level, before I could enter, before the purchase time was expired, yes, I entered into a put because I understood already that there would be no rejection back, yes, to this level. And so I entered immediately into a put. So now we have here, let me see, this is a nice area here. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this candle will touch this level here, I will do a call. Or if this candle will touch this level, I will do a put. Okay, I will do a put now because I saw already a small wick above, which with a touch of this level, which shows me that the downtrend will continue. Yes, and that's the reason why I did a put. It was a really, really small wick, yes, which touched this level here, this wick here, this area, and that's the reason why I entered into a put, because I understood that this candle will not break through this level, and furthermore, price would go down further, because that is what double top is about. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.